Hello children, welcome to maths class. In today's class, we are going to study about the perimeter of rectilinear figures.
Let us understand what are rectilinear figures. Children, a plane figure bounded by line segments is called a rectilinear figure. Thus, each one of the figures, namely a triangle, a rectangle, a square, a pentagon, etc., is a rectilinear figure. Clearly, a circle is not a rectilinear figure. Now, let us understand what is a perimeter of a rectilinear figure. What is perimeter? The word perimeter comes from two Greek words, peri and metron. Peri means around and metron means to measure. Thus, perimeter is the total distance of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Hence, it is found by adding the length of all the sides of a closed plane figure. Today, we will learn how to find the perimeter of the polygons like triangle, square, and rectangle using formulas. Let's start with the triangle. A triangle has three sides, side A, side B, and side C. To find the perimeter of a triangle, we add the lengths of all its sides. Thus, perimeter of a triangle is equals to A plus B plus C. Let's find the perimeter of a triangle having the dimensions AB is equals to 7 meters, BC is equals to 8 meters, and CA is equals to 10 meters. We know that perimeter of a triangle is equal to the sum of the lengths of all its sides, which is equal to AB plus BC plus CA. That is 7 meters plus 8 meters plus 10 meters, which is equals to 25 meters. Thus, perimeter of the triangle is equals to 25 meters. Now, let us look at the formula for the perimeter of a rectangle. We have already learned that a rectangle has both sides, wherein its opposite sides are equal in length. Thus, the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Therefore, the perimeter is equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, where L is the length and B is the breadth, which is equal to twice of length plus breadth. Now, let's find the perimeter of a rectangle having dimensions length is equals to 18 kilometers and breadth is equals to 12 kilometers. Using the formula, perimeter of the rectangle is equals to 2 into, in brackets, 18 plus 12, which is equals to 2 into 30, which is equals to 60 kilometers. Thus, the perimeter of the rectangle is 60 kilometers. Finally, let's look at the perimeter of the square. We know that the lengths of both sides of a square are the same. Thus, the perimeter of a square can be calculated by adding all the four sides of a square. Thus, perimeter of a square is equals to side plus side plus side plus side, which is equals to 4 times the length of a side. Now, let's find the perimeter of a square having sides of 10 centimeters. Using the formula, perimeter of the square is equals to 4 into 10, which is equals to 40 centimeter. Thus, perimeter of the square is 40 centimeter.
Now, let us recall what we have studied till now. A plane figure bounded by line segments is called a rectilinear figure. Thus, each one of the figures, namely a triangle, a rectangle, a square, a pentagon, etc., is a rectilinear figure. Clearly, a circle is not a rectilinear figure. The sum of the lengths of all sides of a rectilinear figure is called its perimeter. For example, in order to find the perimeter of a triangle, we should add all the sides of the triangle. In order to find the perimeter of a rectangle, we should add the length and the breadth of the rectangle twice times. In order to find the perimeter of a square, we should apply the following formula, that is 4 into side. Now children, using these formulas, practice your maths questions. Thank you.